Good evening, guys. I just want to share to you what I experiencing in my iMovie. Um, you know, here's my camera. Every time I try to export a video or a clip from this camera, or even a picture, my iMovie closes. It's like it's crashing. Let me show you. Let me turn this on. I just turn on this camera and let's see here. Just a moment. See, here's the videos or video clips inside this camera here. But once I try to import, let's pick this one here or this one in the middle, and in the at the bottom here, I'm gonna click import. See, it closes the iMovie. So that's the glitch that I've been fighting. So I was going to just let it go and just buy another software editor. But what I decided to do is I played with the iMovie, and I'll show you what I'm doing right now. It's much more tedious. A lot of things I had to do to put all these video clips in my iMovie and eventually to YouTube. Alright, just a moment. Okay, guys, here's what I do now. Since I'm not be able to import my clips into iMovie, what I noticed when I was playing with it is that I can drag and drop any clip from my desktop inside the iMovie. So that's what I've been doing now. But you ask, how can I import? What you can do to import is use photos. You know, in Mac computers, there's this program called Photos. Let me bring it up. See, you can use this to import the video that you want to import. Okay, let me give you an example. Like this one here. If I click on that and then I import it. See, it's doing that for me. You just have to wait a little bit because it takes a little bit moment here for it to be imported. But once it's imported, see, this is the one that I just imported. You can drag it inside the iMovie or just drag it on your desktop. Okay, let me show you. I'll just drag this over here. Okay. Once it's there, you can drag it inside the iMovie. Okay, so it's there. That's what I noticed about that's what's happening to my iMovie. I can still drag and drop, but I cannot export video from this device or any device that I hook up. Yeah, the video must come from the desktop or from the Photos, this Photos program that Mac has. Okay, so guys, I just want to share to you guys that just in case you are experiencing the same trouble that I do and you don't want to spend money on buying all these video editing softwares, because some of them could be as much as $300. Alright, guys, I hope this helps, guys.